Brittany with WTI, and I think it's cool to stay fit and active. So that's why I think these coupons are super cool. Now, these resistance bands come in a super convenient carry case. I really like that they come in different colors, so you remember the different intensities. Stars at the bottom, and the ones that are colored are the intensity of the bands that you're going to be using. So you have extra light, light, medium, heavy, and then extra heavy. So if you have going to the gym, free weights, things like this that has a lot of equipment as part of your routine, it's now difficult to keep that going when you go on a trip. So these easily fit in your purse, your bag, almost your pocket. You can do it in your bedroom. You can do it in any small space. It works out every muscle on your body from head to toe. Even if you want to increase the intensity of something, but maybe not exactly want to go to the heavy degree, you can double bands up. You can put the medium with the heavy, or you can put the light with the medium. So there's a lot of variety that you can do. And then you can even do arms and legs at the same time. Have the medium with your arms, the heavy with your legs. It is such a nice thing. What I personally like about it is I do try and work out every day. I try and stay fit, but there are days I wake up and I don't want to do it. These are so great because I can literally stay laying on the couch or on my bed, get them out, and just start doing my little workouts with my arms and my legs. Maybe it's not as intensive a workout, but at least I get something done, even if I'm having those lazy mornings. Whether you have a gym membership or you have a bunch of workout equipment, it's just a nice thing to have because one, it doesn't take up much space, and two, it can go wherever you go. And that's my point of view.